Pete, can you tell us about some of the new features that are announced recently around AWS Transit Gateway?
Absolutely. So with Transit Gateway, now you can actually peer two transit gateways within a single region. So intra-region peering is now available. Previously, you were only able to peer two transit gateways in separate regions. And what this does, this opens the door for a lot of new network architectures. And this is going to unblock a lot of these larger enterprises that are looking for more flexibility as they adopt cloud.
Amazing. Do you have any examples of those architectures?
A good example would be if a customer has a non-prod and a prod environment. Obviously they would want to be very much isolated from one another. But within a non-prod environment, you might have two or more development environments that need to be able to have connectivity back and forth for various reasons. So now this makes it a lot more easier to accomplish that.
Can you manage that setup with Access Manager?
Absolutely. So Transit Gateway Network Manager now offers API calls that allows you to build your route analysis a lot more easily and actually see who's going where in your infrastructure and sort of get that overview of your network topology.
Nice. What about the announcements around VPC traffic mirroring?
Oh yeah, so VPC traffic mirroring is now available. You can send your VPC mirrored traffic to gateway load balancer endpoints, whereas before you were required to send them directly to an EC2 ENI or a network load balancer. So again, this just opens more possibilities for customers looking to use their own security appliances, for example, to analyze traffic.
Awesome. And also, how does Transit Gateway Connect tie into that?
Yeah, so recently AWS announced that Transit Gateway Connect, which is their SD-WAN extension, is now available in more regions. So what this does, there's a big push within the industry for customers to move towards SD-WAN versus something like a traditional MPLS WAN. And this just allows them to extend that SD-WAN right into AWS. That provides great cost savings, higher performance, more functionality that they just didn't have access to before.